Imagine your car could talk. What if your mechanic knew your next repair before you even noticed a problem? AI is making this a reality. Auto repair shops now use AI to predict exactly when your brakes need a check or when your engine might fail. No more surprises, just smooth rides. Here's the twist. AI doesn't just guess, it analyzes thousands of cars, learns patterns, and spots issues invisible to the human eye. This means fewer breakdowns and safer roads. Plus, AI creates a personal profile for each customer, reminding you when it's time for service, and even offering exclusive deals tailored just for you. Customers aren't just visitors, they become loyal friends. Imagine getting a friendly reminder before your car even feels sick. That's next-level service. And the emotional payoff? Feeling cared for, knowing your mechanic truly understands you and your car. The future of auto repair is smart, fast, and personal. So, what if your car's next visit is already planned out by AI? Would you trust a robot with your ride? Let us know.